Hey guys, so this is another fast tutorial. So we're gonna do basically what we did with the smoky eye. It's just that this time we're using a shadow on our lid. So I am using the eyebrow pomade from Crayon Cases, their dark brown eyebrow pomade. And then we're going to use the darkest shade that's in the matte book. I forgot to show you guys, but it's like a really dark brown. And then we're going to take this shade and we're going to blend out the edges. Once we do that, I'm just showing y'all like how it's going to look as you guys keep blending. Once you do that, then you're going to take this really tan shade and buff out those edges. And then we're going to place a pigment from Morphe brushes. It's actually discontinued, so I'm not even going to say the name. And then all I did was put some peaches makeup, peaches and cream makeup wish pigment on top of that to give like that color that I was really looking for. And then I popped on some lashes and added like a little line on my lash line. And yeah, that's it. Like that's basically like that's all I did for this look. I hope you guys like it. I did glue down my wig, y'all. Do y'all like it? Like, what y'all think? What y'all think? I have to keep practicing though. But I'm thinking about doing like a wig series or like a hair series on my YouTube. Let me know what you guys think about that. And definitely let me know what textures or hairstyles you want to see. All right. Later, y'all. Bye.